Oh, hello. This is there.
Vicious. Who names her?
Um, Alan. Just tell him to whisper there.
Orlando! Whisper there.
That is power one.
Oh, you know him.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. Really, man.
How on, bro? I mean, everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything good, man. There, you know.
They are pass through, man. Cause I remember I say, like a road through every now and then, though.
Yeah, I did look forward for that too. But I want to tell you earlier, I see a couple of phone boy pass through the place too, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going on 9 o'clock batch.
Yeah, but them time that, yeah, 9:30.
Yeah, access so. You have camera to the place, eh?
Yeah, you know, so me have a one camera though. Right, that's so. But more while it turn and show in the yard, and then the next time it turn and show outside, so I now get the full view of everything what go on, you know. I rotate by itself.
You see, as a businessman, you're going to want more than one of that. You're going to want one to focus on inside and one to focus on outside. You're going to need to see everything that happen outside during the day.
I really talk, man. I got sort it out in due time.
So the youth where you say, do the phone thing. You know what him look like?
Main whisper. When I forget face, you know, especially when boy violate, you know. You know him anywhere I see him, man. Yeah, man.
Alright. How that work out? You have a feet?
Yeah, man, them have a app feet, man. But me not install it on my phone yet.
Brother, your security system, that's everything where you not see. Man. Whenever you sleep and then thing that it guide you. So how you get access to it? Where you see what going?
I know some more while is a memory chip, me just drop in it though. Yeah, so just store everything what I go on.
Alright, here we go on. Let me have the memory chip. Need to go through it, yeah? Cause that person of interest. I need to see here. As I say, pass me and pass through. And I have a drink and then move.
Yeah, man, I ride to the man.
Yeah, call Jala now. Vicious, you new?
Yeah, man.
So you wanna drink something?
Yeah, man, we drink a Magnum, man. Nettie, give me a hot Magnum, this. Nettie, a hot Magnum.
Oh, alright.
Can reach, you know.
Yo, Vitch, I'm movement, you know. What's your name?
My name Annette, but you can call me Nettie.
Alright, Annette. Alright. Nettie,
Yeah.
when you see me again, you don't have to be afraid again. You know my face.
Yeah.
Outside, bro.
Yeah, cool, man. Oi, I was so funny.
Hey! What do you think? Bossy.
Yeah, Whisper. Where you go? You think it is sent nothing to him?
No man, I'm totally out of the loop. But I see something go on. When I forward at the bar, I see a youth. He move towards the bar with him hand in a bag. And when him see me stop, he move.
I wonder if I the same youth where they come there with this whole phone thing.
It could be, you know. But Vicious have a security system. And him give me the memory card connected to it.
Good. That means that we can go through it and pick up the face.
Yeah.
Alright, you forward it now?
Yeah, man.
Alright, good, because remember we have one meeting.
Alright. I'm reaching at the next 20 minutes.